Hi guys, my name's Ridge, and Faith's not here today, so I'm just gonna film one by myself. We are the Okie kids, you know what I mean. And I got a new bike yesterday, which is a really nice bike. And I'm gonna do a YouTube video today. So here's basically our makeshift ramp. I'm gonna do something way more fun today. Okay, so if you can hear that those little birds, there's like about 2,000 of them. I'm gonna go scare them and see what happens. I'm just gonna start filming because I'm pretty close to them. And we're here in Oklahoma, as you know, in the Okie kids. Birdies. Those little blurs are birds. Those little tiny blurs are birds. That whole tree is filled with them. But okay, it's actually pretty windy, but that was pretty much the fun part. I thought it was gonna be more funner, but I'm gonna go back to the makeshift ramp and do some jumps. Okay, so that's probably as good as a camera angle I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna do some jumps. And you might see our dog Vernon Augie in the video. But here, I'm gonna come back here. That was a pretty good jump. And in the video, it might not look like I'm getting that high, but if you actually make one of those ramps, it feels like you're going way higher. So I could tell you how to make a makeshift ramp. Okay, so hold on one second. It is just a railroad thing, piece of like 6x6 maybe, and the stuff that you use on like a resi, this kind of stuff, and a piece of plywood, and that's pretty much it. So that's all for this week's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and check us out on Instagram so you guys can follow us. It's the same title on Instagram, the Okie Kids. So make sure you like and subscribe this video, and you can't comment down below because YouTube took away your comments. So that sucks. See you guys.